Hey guys, so I have here my JBL Endurance Peak wireless earbuds, and because these are so small, single earbuds, I keep hearing stories about people losing a single one of them, so this is really unfortunate. Now, in case you have only lost your left earbud and you still are in possession of the right one, then you can still use this one individually, since this is the one that is connecting to your smartphone. While if you only have the left one, then you can't really do anything with it at this point. But since this actually happens to more people than you think, that they lose one of those earbuds, chances are that you can find a replacement one or exactly the same one that you've lost on eBay or Craigslist or whatever. So, and I happen to find another one here, like a second one of the left ones. And so I have this now, but they don't automatically work with each other. So it's not going to automatically pair to the right one. And so the question is, can we pair this new left one that I got off of eBay, and can I pair this so that I can use this with the right one? So the answer to that is yes. So let me show you how you do this. So first you put both earbuds into the charging case, and you make sure that the charging case battery is still charged, so that here these two LEDs on the earbuds turn on and they're both red. And now afterwards you're going to the right earbud and you want to tap it and then hold the JBL logo. See? So I tap it and then I press and hold for several seconds, and then you're going to take a look here at the right LED. You want to make sure while you hold this, now eventually it's going to start blinking, and what it does is a factory reset at this point. So actually what I found out, that I have to go through this process 2 times. So after it factory reset it once, I'm going to do the same thing again. So I'm going to tap the right JBL logo and then I press and hold it until it's going to go through this blinking process again. See, now it's doing this blinking again, then it turns off, and then the red LED turns on again. Now at this point, now these two earbuds are going to be paired. But one thing that you do have to consider is, because we did a factory reset, we have to remove the pairing information from your smartphone. So here you see here the JBL Endurance Peak is still in here, but what I have to do is I have to say here, forget this device, and let me do this again here, forget this device. So I have to remove this first, and now I have to do this pairing process again the next time I'm turning these on. See, now I'm removing the right earbud from the case and I turn this on. Turn on the right earbud, because this is the one that we use to connect to my smartphone here. So you wait for a little bit, and it should start blinking here in blue. And as soon as you do that, then if you go back to your smartphone, this should be on the bottom of the list here. In this case, I connect this again, and now you see the earbud is constantly blue at this point. And now when I take out the new earbud that I just got and we just paired to the right earbud, then as soon as this will turn on, then you can see here this is also constantly blue. So at this point these both are connected to each other. These are now from this point on going to work together. And the original one, the one that I supposedly just lost, that one is now not connected anymore. So now if we try this out here, let me show you how this works, or that this really works. So I'm going to start playing some music here, and we can check this here. First the right earbud, hear this loud and clear, and then let me show you here the left earbud that I just got and I just connected. This one works as well, right? Yeah, okay, so I hope this video was helpful. Remember, this works a little bit differently for other earbuds. Video is here in the upper right corner and also down in the video description. And if you have any more questions, then please leave a comment below.